That did it. I didn't quit that time. That did it right there, baby. That did it.
Larry and Garrett and Andrew. First time Andrew's been with me when shot a deer, huh?
Yep.
Garrett's been with me before doing that. Of course, Larry's been numerous times. So it was a joint effort, an excellent effort to finish this animal off instead of just leaving him out to die.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So, yeah. Tall.
Good job, guys.
Thank you.
Great hunt. We'll get him taken care of.
Yep. Let's get him out of here.